has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Horeb, moving north at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Horeb, Sauk City, Cross Plains, Mazo, Maine, Black Earth, Blue Mounds, Pine Bluff, and Marksville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin.